Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt DIY here. So we're getting back on the Escape project. Don't worry, I haven't done any work without you guys. We're actually going to go tackle a few things today on the Escape. So last video, I know we got that whole front end, all the crash parts and stuff torn off. In this video, we're actually going to go ahead and put a new battery in it for one, because I'm tired of jump starting it and the old battery is completely trashed. It would not come back. So we're going to put a new battery in it. We're also going to put a couple new parts on, which I will show you here. Actually, guys, we'll show you when we get to the car. We got a couple new parts. We got the front engine mount that actually goes underneath, and then we've got the new mount that goes on the front of the engine with the mounting point and bracket. So we're going to put that stuff on, and then I believe that will probably do it for this video. We'll make sure that all fits really nicely. That'll give us a good idea of the frame and things like that. And then off camera, I'll probably take a little time and just kind of button things up in the front, getting them straightened out so that we can go ahead and weld the new parts on. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead, throw the new battery in, and go from there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put that brand new battery in here, and guys, I'm not sure if any of you have battery preferences. I have pretty good luck with Napa batteries. Also seems like the Walmart batteries aren't too bad. Ever since Advanced Auto Parts switched to their die-hard batteries, they're just gotten really expensive, so I don't really buy those anymore. But seem to have pretty good luck with the Napa ones. But let me know down in the comments what you guys use. But anyway, let's go ahead and fire this thing up and make sure the battery is good to go. It has been a while since this thing has fired up, guys. So let's go ahead and give her a try. Oh yeah. Let's turn the radio off. We don't need that. Seems to be running great. Now we can't run it long, guys, because again, I don't have any radiator or anything like that, but yeah, purrs like a kitten. All right, so we're totally good there. So now we're going to go ahead and get out the ramps, get this thing up on the ramps, and then we're going to tackle the engine mounts down below there. Alright guys, so basically what we're doing here is, you can see these 3 bolts. There's actually a mount that's going to go on here, and then there's a piece underneath that's going to get connected under there and come out this way. So I'm not sure if I can get you a great angle underneath there. I will attempt to. If not though, I'm going to go ahead and put that piece on, and then we're going to tackle this and attach that. Alrighty guys, so we got that piece in there, and you can see there, we got those 3 bolts for the new mount, and we've got the new engine mount here, new mount there, and then we've got the new bar underneath that goes the whole way back and attaches back there, and we got the subframe back tight. Everything's tight on this, everything fits perfectly. I didn't have to do any finagling, so that means that there's nothing wrong with the car beyond this front, like nothing else got jolted. So as you can see here, I've fitted up the lower Rad Support. Basically what has to happen here is we're a little bit too close. So I'd say, you can see, I'd say we're maybe an inch, maybe a ½ inch. So what we're gonna do is put a bottle jack right here with a piece of probably 2x4 over to this side right here, and we're just going to spread these out a little bit so that we can get that extra inch, get this piece in, which actually bolts into this piece we just put on underneath, and it looks like those holes are going to line up almost perfect, which is awesome. And then once we get that in place, guys, we can weld this back together. It's going to be awesome. I've got the new crash bar here too, or as they call it, the bumper support, I believe, which looks like if I put it on those 2 studs there, you can see over here, like it's close. It's real close. Again, probably a ½ inch off, but everything's looking really nice and straight, and looks like it's going to go together really nicely. So this is exciting, guys. Starting to see what it's going to look like. And then I've got the upper part too, which just needs welded in, but I haven't gotten that out yet because we still have to straighten up some of these things to be able to weld it. So here's what we're going to do. Not on video, I'm going to actually spread that out, grind all the surfaces, get them ready for welding, get these pieces to kind of fit where they're supposed to go. Same with this, like, you know, all this stuff, straighten it out. That stuff's kind of, you know, not too entertaining on video. So I'll get that all ready for the new pieces, and then when it's time to weld, that's when we'll actually have the next video. So this is exciting though, because I'm starting to see it come together, and I really want to see how this car turns out, how she drives, all that kind of stuff. So really getting excited. So once we get these supports on, guys, the lower and upper Rad Support, oh, it's easy from there. Throw the bumper on, throw the grills on, you'll never be able to tell this thing was even in an accident. So I'm getting really excited. So I'm going to do all the prep work kind of off camera, because that's just, it takes time, it's not fun. It's literally going to be grinding the surfaces, making them clean, stuff like that, getting ready for welding. And once that's done and the pieces are ready to fit and ready for welding, I will bring you guys back. But before we end this video, we got the battery in. I wanted to go ahead and fire it up again and just test the alternator and make sure she is charging okay. I'm sure it does, but just wanted to rule that out before we put more parts on the front. Let's go ahead and fire it up here. Fires up no problem. Sounds really great too. All right, I'm gonna turn on this meter here, and let's put the negative probe on there. And nice, yeah. So we got 14.6, which is perfect. So she's charging the battery, guys. We are good. But yeah, guys, she's charging, getting that front end back together. So I think we can end this video here. Next video, we'll weld those pieces in and start really getting after it. So that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Really getting after it here on the Escape. Things are coming together really well. Excited about that. So if you enjoy the content, guys, be sure to subscribe down below. Like this video. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think. And guys, until next time, weather's getting nice here in the north. There's no reason not to. Get out there. Do it yourself.